Good morning and welcome to this update from Mumbai and the rest of Maharashtra on the 2nd of April 2020. This morning, three more cases were added to the Maharashtra tally, taking the number of positive Covid-19 cases to 338. Two of the three new reported cases were from Pune and one was from Buldana. No new case from Mumbai has been reported this morning. However, last evening there was a 56-year-old man from Dharavi, Asia's biggest slum, where a slum rehabilitation authority building was sealed off after he was tested positive. Later in the evening, he passed away, making it one more death in the city of Mumbai. Mumbai is now the worst affected city in the country in terms of number of deaths and the number of positive cases. Mumbai has close to 160 positive cases now and 7 deaths. So that brings us to the next phase of containment in the city of Mumbai and the rest of Maharashtra. For example, yesterday, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation and the state government sealed 45 more areas in the city, taking the number of sealed areas in Mumbai to 191. There was already 146 areas that were sealed the day before. 45 more were sealed yesterday. The 56-year-old man in Dharavi was a tailor from the Slum Rehabilitation Authority building. The complex has 8 buildings and 300 apartments. There are also 91 shops in that area. All the 300 apartments, all the 8 buildings and all the 91 shops have been sealed. Nobody is allowed to enter or exit from that area, and more measures, stringent measures will be announced later today by the government and the BMC. Today I want to talk about some important frequently asked questions that I get asked by friends and family and other readers every day. These are important questions because this will allow us to navigate through the lockdown. The first question that I often get is, I don't own a car, what do I do in case of an emergency? What you should do in the case of a medical emergency is to reach out to an ambulance. Please do not use your personal vehicle in case there is a medical emergency. If there is the nature of the emergency is something else, then you'll have to prove to the police at the various nakabandis where they will ask you questions and the nature of the emergency will have to be proved. So please be careful about that. You'll have to prove and only then proceed. The second question that I get is, my home is running out of vegetables and groceries, what do I do? All the vegetable markets in the city are open. In case they are not open, the local MLA or the local corporator, they have organized farmers markets in various places so that vegetables and other essentials can be bought locally. In case you're not able to find the market, please call up your local MLA or your local corporator so that the vegetables are available to you. The third question that I often get is, can I ask my domestic help to come home? The answer is no, you cannot, because social distancing is extremely important in these trying times. Please don't ask your domestic help or your cook to come home. It will actually add to the risk of your family and of the domestic help's family. The fourth question that I often get is, I have run out of money, where can I go? All banks and financial institutions are open, ATMs are open. They have not run out of cash. They do have cash. So please go to the nearest ATM and you can withdraw money. The fourth question that I get is, I'm a diabetic. Can I shop for insulin? Yes, you can. All pharmacies are open. Some pharmacies may have issues with staffing because public transport is shut. So you will have to find out from the local pharmacy whether they have staffing or not. In case they don't, please visit your nearest hospital and they will be able to help you. The next question that I get is, I want to order food, is it permitted? Yes, ordering food is permitted. App-based services are open. Restaurants are open. Some of them are open. Again, there are staffing issues there because the people who work there may not be able to reach the restaurant because of public transport lockdown. However, they have been allowed to be open. Today, I also want to talk about what is open in Mumbai and what is shut. I just want to start with what is open. Shops related to essential commodities such as groceries, milk and vegetables, medical stores, essential services such as water supply, power supply, conservancy services, financial institutions such as banks, ATMs, stock exchanges, restaurants, some of them, hotels, home delivery and courier services, again some of them, not all of them, Petrol pumps, some of them are open, some of them are shut because of staffing issues, because of the public transport lockdown. Police, of course, are functioning. Fire brigade is functioning. Print and electronic media are functioning. E-commerce of essential commodities are being allowed. That is, groceries from e-commerce apps are allowed. Black and yellow taxis, some of them are on the streets. They're allowed, but only few of them are on the streets. So are auto rickshaws. Now I want to move to what is closed. All public transport is shut for passenger traffic. Suburban trains, BEST buses, app-based taxis, the metro, monorail, airlines, ST buses, and private buses. Places such as private establishments are shut. Schools, colleges, universities, and coaching classes are shut. Religious places, you will not be allowed to enter. Only the staff, priest, will be allowed to enter, no one else. Shopping malls are shut. Cinema theaters and auditoriums are shut. Gymnasiums are shut, and so are swimming pools.